my tag, but you read my tag, and you know that's my name. You guys read my name, and that's my name. Because his girlfriend.
Now you're trying to mix my words.
I got
I'm
you.
talking.
I got you on camera.
I need to see your ID, please.
My ID.
Yes, ma'am. It's right there.
The situation begins with Officer Bennett and another officer confronting Mariah for filming an off-duty officer, Detective Zed. Maria asserts her right to film in public spaces, citing that the First Amendment protects the right to record public officials performing their duties in public. Despite this, the officers attempt to intimidate her by accusing her of harassment. Maria highlights that the detective was off-duty and in a personal vehicle, making their claims of interference baseless. The officers overreach by running her vehicle tags without reasonable suspicion, a clear violation of Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches.
I am. Okay.
I'm Officer Carmen with the
I already know.
Department. This is Officer Bennett.
Never met you. No disrespect to
Badge
you.
number 389, badge number 363.
And 363, right?
No, ma'am, that's not his badge number.
Oh, yeah, I got it on papers. I got yours too.
Okay. So here's the deal, Maria.
Okay.
I'm not trying to start anything or
I'm not either.
in any way.
I'm not either.
But you're starting to get to a point of harassment. Officer Zubietta's off work right now.
Okay, but he's telling you that I'm calling him a pig.
Ma'am.
And saying slurs to him. I never called him a pig.
Ma'am, he's calling to make a report, which he has the right to do that as a citizen, okay?
Oh, okay.
So right now he is a citizen.
A citizen.
And you are, yes, he is off work. There is not a police car over there.
Do you really that you're over his detective car's right there, right?
It is there. But he is off. Okay. So and we're starting to get on a line of harassment.
Okay, but do you understand? I'm a citizen, right? I was born in the States, right?
Okay.
You know, Zubietta wasn't, right? You know that female he has in the driver's seat with that truck on, right? You know she's not illegal, right?
Okay.
You know, you understand being in the United States illegally with no citizenship. It's a crime, right?
Ma'am, I don't. I'm not,
it's a crime, right? You know that, right?
Federal government, ma'am. We don't prosecute those crimes.
If you pull over illegal driving with no license,
ma'am,
that's an offense, right?
If I pull over
right?
Illegal,
is that an offense?
Ma'am, I'm his supervisor. You're going to talk to me.
But you guys are both cops.
So listen to me. You are telling me that she's illegal, but when I pull somebody over and I run them, I run their driver's license.
Yeah.
They could be illegal all day.
Yeah, and you're taking them in.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Not unless I'm told by ICE. 100%.
Sir, I'm from immigrants. Okay. I know how the system works.
I've been doing this job for 12 years.
That's fine.
I'm telling you right now.
I've been with an immigrant family my whole damn life, so I know how it works. Not either.
I'm going to tell you this, okay?
And you see how he leaves?
Yes, ma'am. He's free to leave. What's wrong with that?
No, he waited for you guys to come.
Okay.
That's funny. And you read my tag, and you know that's my name. You guys read my name, and that's my name.
The police.
And that's my name?
Report a crime.
No, he didn't. He called a personal number.
No, he did not.
Yes,
called
he did.
His supervisor.
Ballard, right? Lamar? No. Oh, I'm sorry, Lamar.
No, ma'am. He actually called his supervisor, Booth.
Oh, Booth.
Okay.
I know Booth.
So, here's the deal. You need to stop filming him when he's off duty. You need to stop following him when he's
I don't follow him, but okay.
You don't film him? You don't
I film him. I said I don't follow him.
For what?
The conversation shifts as Maria challenges the officers for profiling her based on her background. She references the fact that federal law establishes that individuals are presumed innocent unless proven guilty under 18 U.S.C. Section 3142. The officer's accusations about her interactions with the detective's alleged girlfriend expose a personal bias. Maria refutes these claims, pointing out inconsistencies in their statements and accusing them of fabricating allegations to justify their harassment. She firmly reminds them of her rights, emphasizing that their actions constitute a misuse of authority.
Because you guys film us all day, right? You're filming me right now, right?
I don't film you all day. I don't film you unless I'm working an active investigation. Okay?
You guys film.
He is off work. He is off duty.
Yeah.
And you have no reason to be filming him.
I have the rights to film freely.
I'm explaining to you.
Okay, I understand.
That you.
Wonderful.
You need to understand. That you're on the borderline of harassment with him.
Okay.
Okay. And you need to stop.
Okay.
He is off work.
Okay. Wonderful. Is there anything else?
I need to see your ID, please.
My ID.
Yes, ma'am. It's right there.
No, it's not.
Okay, whose ID is that?
My fiance's. Hey, James. I seen James earlier too. I seen you earlier.
So, Maria, I'm asking you to
I understand.
If he's off work,
Okay.
treat him as you would anybody else. There's no reason for you to be filming him while he's
Okay.
at work.
I was pretty nice to James this morning, told him not to work too hard.
Yeah, but we're at work.
I know. Don't work too hard.
There's a difference,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
He's doing his own thing right now. He ain't working with us right now. And we are doing a report on this. And if it happens again, you will be arrested for harassment.
You tried to tell me that last time, but
No,
okay.
he's going to try to tell you that. And yeah,
Okay. You're the one that told me that she wasn't family. I never said she was family to him.
Man,
you
who?
did.
Oh, no. He just tried to.
You keep talking.
It's okay,
about
it's
this
okay.
woman, and
He
what
just
is that
confirmed it.
irrelevant?
I gotta get up here. I drove.
Your license good now?
Yeah, they been good.
Okay.
Run them. The only one not talking. They're good.
Because last time Lieutenant Booth arrested you for 4
No, he tried to in the DA office, said that was a whole bunch of bullshit and dropped all them charges and I walked free. So yeah.
So, Lieutenant McFadden's told you, I've told you, and Sergeant Woodard has told you.
Okay.
If we're doing a report on this,
Okay.
if you do this again,
One more time.
you're going to be
Okay.
arrested. You understand?
Okay.
He is off.
All right.
Am I clear?
Are you right? Are you done running my stuff? It's good.
Are you clear?
He's got a copy down the information so we can do the report.
You understand? Are we clear?
I learned my first language is English. I understand 100%. I'm not Peru, and I'm not fucking whatever that fucking rat is. Shit. You read my last name is Johnson. There's no Spanish to it. Hilarious. I love how James came.
You're messing with one of our police officers.
He's a detective. Oh, now he's a police
He's a
officer.
police officer.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a police officer.
Okay.
He's not a rat police.
I didn't call him a rat. I didn't call him a rat. See, now you twisting my words.
He's not employed by the police department. He's employed by the police department.
Oh, you can be a cop and be a rat. You can be employed 100%. But you're the sergeant. Nice to meet you.
I am.
Okay, Woodward. I see it.
1W.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. I know these two. I can smell y'all a mile away. You're his sergeant too? No. Where's Pete? Where's Richie? Isn't he a patrol officer? No, he's not a patrol officer. I'm sorry. Isn't he your patrol captain? So who are you? There's another.
The officers escalate the situation, claiming Maria called the detective derogatory names, which she denies. She counters that false accusations by law enforcement violate 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 when used to infringe on constitutional rights. Maria further highlights that her presence in a public parking lot was lawful, as she intended to conduct business at a nearby store. The officers, however, continue to threaten her with arrest without cause, further exposing their retaliatory behavior.
Yeah. So you ran my tags and it says Maria?
I'm not sure the name.
That's what you just told me. Ran my tags and that's how you know my name. Okay. Ran my tags and it said Maria, so that's how you know my name. That's funny because of course I haven't registered to me. And yeah,
Is your name not Maria?
No, he said he ran my tags, and that's how he knew my name. Cause he didn't ask for my name. He said he ran my tags, and that's how he got my name.
I'll tell you exactly how he knew your name because I called him and told him because I got a call from Miami.
Because you was at 1010 West Avenue beginning of this year. That's how I know you.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It don't matter.
Okay?
It don't matter.
This is all stemming from that search warrant.
No.
No, it's not.
No.
So what is your legitimate reason for doing what you're doing to Investigator Zubieta while he's off duty?
Well, when you came up, I was sitting in the car with the windows up, right?
Filming him.
Okay. Not wrong. public property. I'm not over on his property, right?
Yeah, but you've been told to leave him alone before.
No, I've been told to leave his girlfriend alone. And have you heard anything about me with his little girlfriend?
I told you to leave him alone.
No, you told me to leave his girlfriend alone because his girlfriend wasn't because his
Now
girlfriend.
you're trying to mix my words.
I got
I'm
you.
talking.
I got you on camera.
Cool.
I got the.
Let me see it. Let me see it, please.
I got your body cam. I got the copy. You bitched at me, made me cry, telling me that was not his family. Never said it was his family. Now you're telling me it's not his girlfriend. It's his fucking girl. It's not his girlfriend. It's not his
He
girlfriend.
said it was his girlfriend. He didn't say anything about it.
It's not a girlfriend. It's his damn mistress.
Regardless.
Regardless.
Even if it is,
Regardless,
doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. You're right.
But what matters,
But what matters is you're a cop and you're fucking with
I
motherfuckers.
need you to understand
I'm
this.
listening.
If you come to this parking lot and you yell across the street,
Nobody was yelling. Nobody was.
Don't
Don't
know
hear
if you were or
cameras.
not, but I was told you were. And
No.
If you were,
Wasn't.
if you do it again, you
Wasn't.
will be arrested.
That's fine. Does he have cameras outside?
I don't know.
There was. He said I called him a pig.
That's what was told to us.
A pig?
Yeah.
I called him a pig.
It doesn't matter what you called him.
I didn't call him shit. That's my point.
If you're yelling at him
You
across
have
the
no
street,
legitimate-
that's the point.
Did you go in the dollar store? Did you do anything? Did you do any business in this parking lot?
I was about to.
He was about to.
Yep. I
So you've been sitting
was-
here long enough for him to call his boss and then him to call me that you've been sitting over here.
So he called his boss.
Yeah.
I thought he called 911.
I told you he called me. I didn't call his family.
You
I
said he called in as a
How
civilian.
the call went down. He called
Uh-huh.
his supervisor
Uh-huh.
and then he was told to call me.
Okay.
And then I called him to come over here and then I came over
Okay.
here. to
But
let
you're a
you know-
lieutenant, right?
Yes, I'm a
Uh huh.
lieutenant.
I know.
Okay, then
James
I
R.
let you know
McFadden, right?
that we are doing a report on
That's
this.
fine.
And if this happens
That's
again,
fine.
we'll go to jail for harassment
That's
against
fine.
our officer
That
who is
the
off duty.
detective. But that's fine.
He is still a police officer.
That's fine.
His badge says
Uh huh.
police officer.
Uh huh.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Whether you want to get into
Hey,
some banners
that
or
Southport
what.
cop, he took her kid too, right?
I don't care.
I don't care either. It's
So,
just crazy.
Obviously you do because
It's just
you're
crazy
you're-
how
you're
everything
acting
lines
this
up.
way. So keep doing your stupid game. Yeah, you're going to jail for sure.
Maria remains calm and assertive, leveraging her knowledge of the law to dismantle the officer's arguments. She notes that their actions, including threatening arrest for legally permissible behavior, are a form of coercion. Under 18 U.S.C. Section 241, conspiracy to deprive someone of their rights is a federal crime. By recording the encounter, Maria ensures accountability, leaving the officers visibly flustered and exposed. Her resilience serves as a powerful reminder that knowing your rights is the first step in combating corruption and abuse of power. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.